Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on a 2011 to 2016 Ford F2 and F-350 single rear wheel pickup trucks with a 6-inch lift, 22 by 10 wheels, and a 37 1350 R22 tire. Starting from the front of the fender, you didn't even have to trim your valence. It clears perfectly fine. There's a little bit of plastic from the valence that cuts into your fender that you will need to trim just ever so slightly. And then on the rear, you take off a little piece of the fender flare if you have the factory fender flare, and then you trim out a little bit of the inner fender. Besides that, it fits perfectly fine. These F2 and F350s clear 37s, no problem with a 6-inch lift. So also, I'll just go ahead and give you this free one. You can fit 20 by 12s, piece of cake, no problem. Go throw them on, 20 by 12s with a 37-inch tire. It has no issues clearing them. So if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email, leave us a comment, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, you love the fuel wheels, you love the Toyo tires, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and have a great day.